Hi YouTube, this is we're just doing a pack opening real quick. I only got 2 of these, so let's open them real fast. I'm doing this way with the camera because it's easier than setting it up on a tripod this time. So I'm going to see how this works out. And if you see anything you like, just let me know. Yeah, no, the water backwards, but here's the rare crystal thing. Just to wear that pack. So, just a rare, but bummer. Yeah, so, the next pack is another one of these. Let's see if we get anything good in here. So, let's open this pack and just skim through here. A rare crystal head thing, and nope, just a rare. Well, that's a bummer. I should even put this online. It's not even worth putting online. But I will for you guys. See ya. Peace.